Okay, this is how you do a Vlookup across to Google Spreadsheets. So we have spreadsheet 1 with a couple of names and we're looking for their age. And we got spreadsheet 2, which has a list of names and the ages, but they're not in the same spreadsheet. So in order to do a Vlookup, the easiest way is to just import the range. So you go import range and you grab the spreadsheet URL, so this URL here, and you put it in quotations, comma, range string, so quotations again. You're going to want to get the sheet name, which is sheet 2. Copy that. Come back over here, paste that, put an exclamation point so it goes into that sheet, and now we want to grab column A and B. So what I like to do is just go A, semicolon B, so that'll get both columns. And the quotation, close the bracket, hit enter, and now you're going to need to give it access. Just press allow access. And now you've got that data in here, and if something was to change on this end, it would also change over here. Sometimes it just takes a little while to load in. So now that you have this data over here, you can just simply do a regular Vlookup. Your search key would be the name. The range would be D and E here, so you can just do something like this, or you can actually just go D1 to E. It should actually be D2 to E. Okay, and now you're going to want to do an index. So index is which column you want to return. So column 1 would be the names, column 2 would return the actual ages. So let's go column 2. And is sorted, you're going to want to put false. All that means is that it's not in any particular order. So usually you're going to put false for something like that. Press enter, so that is correct. We get 20. But something to note is you want to make sure you lock the range of the Vlookup like that, using the money symbol, so that when you drag this down to get 80 for Liam, it keeps the same range. Because if you didn't do that, and this did not have the money signs here, the range would actually move when you drag it, which means that it might have missed Liam.